Now, how do you know if a wine comes from a cold climate or a warm climate when you taste it? Well, here's a few tricks. First of all, acidity. Start there. A wine from a cool climate like the Loire or Bourgogne or Burgundy, for example, has a markedly higher acidity. It's crackling, it's refreshing, it's sharp. Now, on the other hand, a wine from a warm climate like Spain, for example, the acidity is going to be much lower. The wine's going to be richer, fuller. Now, secondly, alcohol. Heat causes grapes to ripen faster, therefore more sugar, and as a result, more alcohol. On the palate, it's going to feel warmer, which is the sign of a sort of stronger, heavier wine. Cool climate wines, I should say, rarely go up to 14.5% alcohol, whereas in warmer climates, sometimes you can find 16% or even 16.5%. But of course, even those wines that are quite heavy in alcohol, if they're made well, feel balanced and, calibrated. Now, thirdly, aromatics. Cool climate wines usually have notes of Granny Smith apples, citrus, and red wines will have notes of sort of early summer red fruits. Warm climate wines, on the other hand, will have more ripe fruit. It's what I like to describe as a bit more jammy. Now, if you taste a Sauvignon Blanc, for example, with citrusy floral notes, cool climate. If you taste a big Syrah with notes of sort of jammy black fruit, well, that's a warm climate. So remember, high acid and moderate alcohol, cool climate. Low acid, high alcohol, and ripe fruit, warm climate.